Hey guys, it's me again Carla and welcome to my channel. So for today's video guys, I'm gonna show you kung paano mag-cancel ng order sa TikTok. So what you will do is, punta tayo sa ating TikTok app and tap orders. So dahil nga may in-order ako bago lang and nagkamali ako ng aking payment method, I need to cancel it. Pero guys, if dumating na yung package mo, you don't have to cancel it. Kailangan mo talaga siyang accept kasi pinaghirapan na ng seller yan. Pero kapag bago ko pa lang nag-order and you want to cancel it, pwede naman as long as wala pang ginawa si seller. Okay, so I'm planning to buy my ingredients para sa aking pagsa-start up ng aking small cafe. So eto, meron akong Da Vinci Gourmet na binili. So dalawa yan. And nagkamali ako ng payment method ko, yung time niya. So I need to cancel it kasi baka mahirapan na magbayad kasi utang nga to guys, utang. So ayan, just tap the cancel order. And antayin lang natin dahil medyo slow yung aking internet. And dito, nagtatanong siya, why do you want to cancel? And pili ka lang dito ng available na mga choices. Okay, so I will tap need to change payment method. And once naka-identify ka na ng iyong reason, tap continue. Okay, antay-antay lang tayo guys. Baka sabihin naman ng iba, ang daldal ko. Hindi. I just want to entertain you. So, ayan, meron na siya. And tap continue again. So, ayan. Nagbayad ako gamit yung pay later. So, mamaya, marirefund ako. So, may charges yata dahil product refund, total refund, parang may minus. May minus siya guys. So, ayan, submit. Siguro kabayaran sa katangahan. Kaya, nagdeduct si TikTok ng around 10 peso yata, I guess. So, ayan. Antay-antay lang tayo guys. Let's be patient. Kasi yung aking internet is ang sobrang bagal. Sobrang kagigising ko lang and I think marami ding nagtatanong kung paano ba mag-cancel ng kanilang order sa TikTok. So, once done, ayan na. Refunded na. Ayan, let's see. So, ayan, na-refund na yung aking amount. And let's see kung na-refund nga ba. Punta tayo sa pay later. So, ayan. Meron na ulit akong 2,400 na amount. Kanina, 600 na lang yan. But I forgot na ipakita. I'm so sorry. So, ayan. So, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. And if you did, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And, yeah. So, see you guys on my next one. Bye! Peace!